I got all my friends. Yes, I got friends, believe it or not the imaginary ones. We're gonna do some rehabbing and then we're gonna look for some of that shining. You wanna go around the table and see who I got?
California Max, how you doing?
Hi guys, you know me. I'm Joanne.
I am Kelly.
I'm Kris.
And me, I don't know who the heck I am because I've got mental issues. Leave me be because I'm gonna eat and then I'll take you out to the mines. So you know what I'm gonna say. So come on, let's go!
I do. And I was asked to get a quick run out.
6'5".
A lot of people did in Corona.
Totally different. Malachite and Kristopher. That's right, I'm going for my my morning jog. Gotta stay fit and shape. Get that cold.
Climb down that.
Yeah, you can run down it if you want.
I mean, it was like a Ennis.
Huh?
It's like keeping together for 25
Watch
years.
your footing.
Back up. Together, friendship, yes. It's amazing how many people.
I would like to do something with this someday.
No,
Yeah, but it depends on what we see in there. If there's nothing in there, then why do it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
you can see
yeah,
where somebody's tried to
20
brace
years
up
ago, people
the this one brace that.
Yeah, actually, they're in my hand.
It's pretty cool. I like it.
You went and put a lot of lights.
Right?
So the red one is for 12.5 and above, and the gold one is for up to 11.5.
Yeah, 12.5. Now I'm just gonna hook it like right here,
Oh,
so it's
yeah.
visible to anybody.
Makes sense.
It's super important. This has got some messaging capability, so when we go out exploring and Kelly's not there,
We set a time. We set a time for the time to be going to make it back home. Like I think it was like, and I'm just running
The
around.
upside and downside to that thing, it's an O2 meter. So the downside is it stays on all.
And it's high.
hydrogen
below
sulfide
19,
gas.
It's hard to sleep.
all got together up by our mine. Here to climb all the way up. So we had. I wonder if this means Kelly's not coming back. She's just like, oh yeah.
Right?
So
It's gone out there today.
You're
All right, hold that right
Probably
there.
in the back of
This
my
piece.
car.
Oh, there we go. That's starting to look right.
Yep.
Good luck. Stay safe.
Now lift that leg. There you go.
Have fun. I'll be back in a little bit.
Did you adjust this for yourself?
I think I did. Yeah, I did.
And then these two just go together and you're in. Make sure these are up as high as possible. Because you're going to be sitting, all your weight's going to be
singing.
sitting right back here.
You want to be singing high pitches, brother.
Yeah, make sure it's nice and snug. He's on the boys. There you go. Yeah, I'm like, why are you out there in the heat?
I'm trying to get tan and sexy.
You already are tan and sexy. You just.
I'm Irish.
Now,
Hi.
that's how that should go.
Irish.
Okay.
Sirs McGee.
Where there?
Yeah, you don't want to. Yeah.
This.
Need your help.
Nope, that's fine.
All right, loosen up your.
Better a half moon than a full
Take
moon.
it. All right, that's gonna go. Nope.
And then what I'll do is we'll just
And this just dangles, right?
What kind of movie we make it out here? Oh yeah, it feels good.
Oh, okay.
Done. Yeah, I thought about buying some rope bags.
Oh, everything catches on everything. Reminds me of the drip mine. All right, sonny boy, come on, we're out here in the field now. Where do you think we're at? You think I'm still eating breakfast, don't you? Ooh, was that a good breakfast or what? All right, so we're out here at the shaft. Ooh, and I don't know how deep it is, so don't ask. And we're gonna go down there and put some more ladders in. Remember the last video? I'll leave a link down below and you can watch that one. We're gonna try to get to the bottom today. And we figured we'd bring more people out. So of course I got Max here, and I got Kristopher over here, Mr. X Chippendales, and of course Joanne, she's the expert on the rope. She knows everything about rope. So we're gonna try to get down there and do this again. I wanna see what's down there. What's down there, boy? Huh? What are you hiding down there? Worm people probably gonna have us for lunch. All right, so we're gonna get on down there, because I know you're probably tired of hearing me jaw jack. Say, huh?
Oh, yeah.
What are you saying?
So come on, let's go!
Loose green rope up and then just feed it down with a slight tension.
Yeah,
Okay.
because you're overfeeding it.
Roger that.
No, it's copy that. Copy that, rubber ducky.
Yeah.
Now let's all go. Remember, Chris, this is just to hold you if you use it, and this is your braking hand. See that? And then if I want to tie off, I bring it up and around.
Okay.
Yeah,
So now there's not going to be any reason for us today to switch over, right?
If you come down, you're going to have to.
Okay. That's got to come off first. Okay. And that way it falls in place. So lock it back up so it doesn't slip. And then basically up.
Yep.
And then of
Your
course
foot
I'm going
there.
to use my foot strap to.
Actually, you don't have
Next
to
step.
unless the ladder gives way.
Okay.
You're going to need those, and you're going to need this. And luckily for you, it's got a D-ring on the end of it.
Where do you want these attached to? On the, I guess the left side?
Yeah, right above the manway. Right up towards the top where the collar braces
okay.
meet the set.
All right, right above you.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
That way it'll light the manway all the way to the bottom. Nice and easy.
What kind of foreman are you? We don't know what to do.
I want you to do some free thinking.
Okay,
Free willing.
that's what I tell these guys when they're working for me. I was like, dude, I pay you guys to do some of the thinking for me. So
Alright, go ahead and
Back, rope, and everything else.
No, you guys
you're
are
the boss.
Alright, you feel comfortable on your rope there, Son of Jim?
Yeah.
Alright. And you're gonna find out when you go, this is what we call the switch over. Is that tight?
Oh, yes. It's not going nowhere.
Alright. Alright, Son of Jim.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Are you ready? Well, let's get it on!
Yeah, that thing's gonna get hung up on everything, trust me.
I think I've done this, but not as technical with all this, you know. Uh-oh.
Well, the most important thing is that thing in your right hand.
Yeah.
Nothing else matters.
Yeah, I can tell you.
Yeah.
It's like when you
All right, I need about 12 inches.
you need 12 inches.
I need 12 inches.
12 inches!
What about it?
He said he needed 12 inches.
I'm done.
Think that'd be too many people in the shaft?
It's a party down here.
It's nice and cool in there, huh?
Yeah, it is. A little nicer than up top.
Oh, my battery's pretty good. Probably.
Ooh, there's a head frame right there. Ooh, I got some crazy people down there. Look at that. And I got a crazy one right here. Ooh, these are some nice ladders.
Coming down.
Well, I'm just making sure you all are okay. That's what I like to hear.
Just like, you know, normal day.
But right here where I'm at right now is going to be the very end of that first strand.
Okay. Yeah, kind of figured that.
We already get the shekel short on there.
Doing good, Mr. Max.
All right.
So look at you, all pretty looking.
I'd hate to be the guy down at the bottom though.
Yeah, it's rough.
Get rocks and
Get hit with the rocks a lot.
Yeah. Well, that was Joanne. She was at the bottom.
She's the truth.
Yeah, I'm over here with my 2 left feet.
I wish I had like a magnet on this drill.
Hey, so this PVC plumbing down in here, so that's air?
No, that was their electrical line that they were running. And then when you get down further, you'll see a communication line and all that jazz.
Oh, fuck, sorry, dude. I mean,
I'm starting to question whether or not you are. Don't have
sorry.
but the drill.
Jeff's coming to hold the bit.
No, I'm here to film you.
Oh, are you filming?
That's all I'm doing. I got a bag full of wedges. You want some of those?
Sure do. Are they potato wedges?
Yeah, with sour cream, baby, and chives.
Alright, I think I got her this time.
All right. What do you think about these funky ladders, huh?
Yeah, they're just like Daddy
Just like
used to
Mama used to make.
make. Yeah. Alright.
Let's see what Max is doing.
I gotta like turn the drill right there, but I'm at the end of my rope. Do I unclip it?
Huh? You're at the end of your rope.
Oh, for the drill. It's hanging on the drill here.
No, because if you drop it, it's going to go to the bottom.
Right.
Don't worry, I'll catch it.
Yeah, with your head.
I was just getting ready to say that.
I'm relocating it.
Alright.
Alright, here we go.
And be careful what you grab onto.
Yeah, we're testing everything.
Yeah, we're testing the sets by holding on to them. I got grabbed onto one and a big rock moved. I didn't like that too much. Yeah, we can get a look down at the bottom. Ooh, look at that, son of Jim. Is that far enough for you?
Oh, yeah.
Huh? Yeah.
Alright. Cruising on down.
Alright, let's see what we got here. Somebody's gonna turn the lights on, so I'm gonna turn my light off. See what that looks like, boy. There's the top of the shaft. I gotta shim this. Look at this. Look at this collar brace. Ooh. Yeah, look at that. We got lights.
Woo! Christmas.
Look at that. All the way down, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Man, I don't even need to use my own headlamp. Oh, that's nice. It's all lit up. All the way down. Oh, ain't that pretty? That's real pretty, like, boy. Yeah, you got a pretty mouth. I don't know where the bottom's at. Chris is going for broke. What am I doing? Well, these collar braces have shifted. Let me turn my light on so you can see this. Alright, my collar braces are shifting. Like I showed you. So what I'm doing is we're putting these shims in. Of course, I forgot to bring my hammer. Should have brought my hammer, but I brought my M-Shaw hammer. How do you like my M-Shaw hammer? See that? I think that collar brace is supposed to go on a little bit. I'm gonna have to use both hands. Hold on a second. Put my M-Shaw hammer down right there.
Not a big deal. But all I'm saying is, well, it's like when I was standing on that one.
Kristopher! Hold on, let me throw a rock at you.
Yeah, right.
Oh, wait.
Official job, rock catcher.
I got him again.
Trust me, I wanted you.
You need to sit down? No.
I could like section, but I think it would make sense.
They're nice.
It's like,
No, and it's good.
Right.
I think it's important. Nobody else does that.
It's hot up here. What's going on? Why is it so hot?
so anyway,
Ah,
thinking about it for a while.
Right.
Here's your first relic.
What'd you think of that ladder?
That's pretty nice. Oh,
Is that a workout?
that's fun, man.
All right. Oh yeah, we're all together now. All right, we're done for the day. I'm exhausted. These guys worked the heck out of me, these young whippersnappers. And we got the ladders in, we got the lights in. You saw that. And man, I'll tell you what, that ladder just keeps going down to China. Ooh, man, I could smell that stir fry down there. Making me hungry. So anyway, we're gonna get on out of here. The sun's about to crest over that ridge over there, and the umpas come out. So anyway, you guys got anything to add?
I'm tired.
Keep digging. Yeah. Let's go to the bottom. We haven't hit bottom.
Easy day.
What the heck? Oh, coal mine to make an old man out of you. What the heck happened to me? I used to outrun these whippersnappers. All right, so till next time, this is Jeff Williams and who? The crew. Say,
Max.
you like going down mine shafts? Well, we do too. You better learn how to make ladders so you'll get to the bottom real fast, boobaloo. So come on, let's go!